What's up guys, you watching another easy tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your Windows 10 for free and without using any software. So let's begin this tutorial. Step 1. The power option. Just go start menu and search for the follow options. On the result, just click on power option. In my computer, default balanced power option is selected. Change it to high performance. When you are done, close the window. The next step is start up apps. Right click on taskbar and task manager and go to startup. In this list, we have to disable unwanted apps. Make sure do not disable antivirus or Microsoft apps. Microsoft Corporation named apps, do not disable them. It will help to speed up the PC. The third step is defragment. Right click on the start menu and type defragment and optimize drivers and select them. Here you have to select the C drive where the operating system is installed and click on optimize. It will take few minutes to complete defragment after analyzation. When you are done, close the window. The fourth step is disk cleanup. Right click on the C menu, C drive and select properties and then click on disk cleanup. Do not worry about this, it will only clean temporary files and unwanted files. In the new window, click on Clean up system files. It is calculating to clean up the files. Now click on OK. Delete files. Okay. Fifth step, visual settings. Right click on the start menu and search for system. In the result, click on the system. Go to advanced system settings. Click on the settings of visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, etc. Here we have to change the option to adjust for best performance. We can also enable some features by selecting them. I am going to select show shadows under mouse pointer. That's enough for me. When you are done, apply, then OK. Stay tuned friends, the next important step is temporary files delete. To do that, start and type run, open the run command. Here you have to type percentage symbol temp percentage OK. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all the items and right click to delete. Again, click on the start menu, type run, select the run result and type temp. When you are done, click OK. Then continue. Then press Ctrl plus A to delete the items. Stay tuned friends. Again go to start, run and type prefetch, prefetch. When you are done, press OK. Again press Ctrl plus A to select all items and delete. The next important step you have to watch: hide Windows services. To do that, click on start and again type run to run the command and type msconfig config. When you're done, OK. Here we have to go services menu, and most importantly you have to click on hide all Microsoft services. Do not disable anything, just hide all Microsoft services and then press OK. The last step is regedit. To do that, type run on the search and open the run command. Here you have to type regedit, regedit, then press OK. In the left bar you have to select H key current user, double click on that, then select control panel. In the control panel, double click on mouse. Here we have to select mouse hover time, double click on that. Value data is 400, we have to change for 10. To react in 10 microseconds means fast reactions will be enabled. After that, go for desktop in the same menu. Here go to menu show delay, double click on that. Here also we have to change the value to 10, then press OK. I hope this video will help you and help to your friends. Please like and share the video. Also do not forget to subscribe my channel to watch my next videos. Thank you guys.